Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while, I don't upload any sort of videos, but I have to change that thing and want to be much more regular. So with that stuff keep in mind, I'm starting a new video that is about Google's Scholar PDF Reader. So as you guys all know maybe, Google recently announced one new tool in their Google Scholar platform, that is Google Scholar PDF Reader, which basically helps you to read the whole paper or a whole research paper much more effectively and seamlessly. So the main two or three key features about that tool is like the in-text links and the in-text figures are now actually workable links. If you just click on those links, that will directly redirect you to the specific paper or the links. And also it is computing all the table of contents and put them on the left side of the paper. This basically helps you to understand the whole structure of the paper, and you can easily go to each sections seamlessly. So let's go through an example. For this, I will read one paper and I will let you guys know that what new features are basically this specific tool bringing to us. So let's dive into that. So you could see that it says supercharge your PDF reading, follow references, scheme outline, and jump into two figures. And they have already mentioned everything that I said earlier about the links and the figures. You to use this, you have to install this from the Google Web Store page. So if you click here, and it will redirect you in the extension store, and you have to install this in your Chrome browser. So I have already installed that. So let's read one paper and see how it looks. So yeah, that's my Go Scholar profile. If I click in this paper and click here, so you could see that on the left side it basically extracted all the table of contents, my introduction, my related works, my study design, everything. And here the paper itself, if you closely see on the top, you could see that it also says the citation information, the Google Scholar profile, how many people have cited this paper. You can download this paper as well, and you can print this too. If you go down, you could see the references are links right now. If you click on this number one reference, it will basically pop up the main actual paper's name. So for my case, the paper name was What Factors Influence the Lifetime of Pull Requests. And if you want to read this paper that supports this statement, you can directly click on this link. And also for the figures, like I said, this is the table 1. If you click in this table 1, it will directly automatically jump into the main table. And from this, you can easily refer to the table and read the whole paper. So for my comment on this is this tool basically helps a lot in terms of reading paper and keeping the track of everything. So that's a must-use tool for every researcher. That's what I believe. And yeah, and you could see that all the links, the tables and the links and everything are right now easily accessible within one tab. So that's a great feature for researchers. So yeah, that's the quick overview about the tool. And let me know if you have any comments or any sort of ideas about this video, and I will put the link in the description box about the Google Scholar blog link and as well as the extension link. Let me know how you guys think about this uh, specific tool. And yeah, that's all for today. See you guys next time.